Hi guys, welcome to today's cooking video. Well, I say today's, this evening's. Dark nights are coming in, aren't they? Anyway, a couple of weeks ago we got a Cosori rice cooker. Absolutely love it. It came with a recipe book and we're going to try one of the recipes today, and it's a pudding. And it's this. I am not even going to try and pronounce this word because I will totally butcher it. So today we are making that. And it should look like that. We'll see, we'll see. Mine will probably be totally different. I think it's classed as a Mexican rice pudding. Not 100% sure on that. So, the ingredients. We're going to use 2 cups of short grain rice. Well, this is pudding rice, but you can just use short grain rice. 55 grams of caster sugar. I've only got golden caster sugar, but it'll do. 4 cinnamon sticks. Mine are still in cupboard. A pinch of salt. Then on the evaporated milk, we will need 237 millilitres. And then 306 grams of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. 1 lime zest and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So it says it takes 5 minutes to prepare and the cooking time is 35 minutes and it serves 5 people. Right, let's crack on then. Right, first things first, I need to measure 2 cups of short grain rice. I'm going to add them to a sieve because we need to rinse it. Alright, just going to wash this under the sink, well under the tap should I say. So that's the water running clear, so we add that to there. Right, so I need 55 grams of caster sugar. That goes into the pot. And in with the cinnamon sticks, should be putting 4 in. I've only got 2. 2's better than none. So we need to give it a stir. Close the lid. And what's it say? We put it on. So we select white rice. Select white rice, set to long grain. So we have to set it to long grain. Right, so long grain. And then press start. So that's it. And it will take 50 minutes. So the evaporated milk and the condensed milk we add in after that's cooked, and it'll be same for the vanilla extract and lemon zest. So we'll be back in 50 minutes. Right guys, it's done. Let's open it up and have a look. So there we are. So I've just got to add the zest. Excuse me a minute, put it down. And then add in the milks. With this one I've already put the vanilla extract in. Put that in there. And all we have to do now is stir it all together. Right, that's it. That's done. So let's put some in a bowl and give it a try. Right, so I've just put a little bit in a ramekin dish. I have never tried this before. That is gorgeous. Kids are going to love this. Yeah, the rice is nice, soft, fluffy. A bit like you'd expect from a top brand rice pudding manufacturer, but as I always say, a lot better when it's homemade. Yeah, that is absolutely wonderful. A brilliant recipe for the rice cooker. So, yeah, I hope you give it a try. And let me know, what's your favourite pudding? Right, catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.